guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. In this one, we are going to be making mashed potatoes. They're amazing, they're super creamy, and I think you're really going to like them. This is also the last video in our Thanksgiving series. So if you see anything out of place, I'm sorry. We're hanging on. We're hanging on barely here. If you have not checked out our previous videos, we have a turkey, we have green bean casserole, we have yams, we have corned-beef casserole, so we have all the fixings for the perfect Thanksgiving meal. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and go check out the series, the playlist for Thanksgiving. So I went ahead and peeled my potatoes. I typically do 1 potato per person. If you're doing mashed potatoes like for a big meal for Thanksgiving and you're gonna have a lot of people, obviously you don't want 20 potatoes for 20 people. Just kind of, gauge it by your crowd and what other dishes you have. But I went ahead and did 6 potatoes. Like I said, I've peeled them. I've got my pot going back here that's boiling. It's ready to take them. So I need to cut these into cubes. We're gonna boil them for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take those potatoes off. I'm gonna strain them over at the sink, which you won't see, and then I'll be back. See, I told you wouldn't be able to see the lens fogged up. It's like a facial all in one. Go ahead and get your masher and mash your potatoes. You can do it right in the dish that you're gonna leave them in. That way you don't have to dirty up another dish. Then you want to add your cream cheese. Now for this size dish, I'm going to add half of a block of cream cheese. It is softened. If you don't soften it, that's okay. You can throw it in the microwave, but we have softened this one. This is an important part because this is what's going to make it creamy. Don't skip this. So you can just eyeball it, take half the package. So you're going to go ahead and cover it with the potatoes. That way it gets softer because they're hot. Just mix it all together. If you feel like you need more, which I think we do, then add more. That's why I don't like to do specific measurements, because if you feel like you need more of something, I don't want you to feel like you can't add more. You can. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a second while I get my butter. You can use the same spoon for your butter. Add about 3 tablespoons. Again, the butter's softened. So you're basically folding everything in. You're gonna add salt and pepper. This is one of the last things I make because you don't want it to get cold. You want it to be good and warm. If you have to, you can make it and then throw it in the oven just on a low heat to keep it warm. But you don't want it to be cold. Okay, then we're gonna add in some heavy whipping cream. Start with a little, you can always add more, but you don't want soggy potatoes. Oh yeah, this is getting super creamy. And it's nice because, like I said, you can do it all in the dish that you're going to serve it in. I'm going to add a little garlic powder and mix that up. So that's your mashed potatoes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video in our Thanksgiving series. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and mash that notification bell. That way you'll find out when I add my next video, either in this series or not. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and don't forget, watch those other videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye.